So I'm very excited for the Metaverse tokens since Cathie Wood is endorsing the Metaverse projects. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. We know that the Metaverse has exploded in 2021 with certain Metaverse tokens skyrocketing in value. And this is a space that is receiving a great deal of attention at the moment. In fact, these tokens have managed to get the attention of one of the big names in the industry. And one of these big names is the CEO of ARK Investment Management, Cathie Wood. She recently said that the Metaverse can become a multi-trillion-dollar market that will impact every part of the economy. She believes that it is a big idea that will probably infiltrate, just like technology is, every sector in ways that people cannot even imagine right now. In fact, she is not the only one endorsing the Metaverse space. Grayscale Investments recently produced a report stating that the market opportunity for bringing the Metaverse to life might be worth over $1 trillion in yearly sales. It stated that this space could compete with Web 2 companies valued at over $15 trillion today. Similarly, Bank of America's strategist recently said that the Metaverse is a massive opportunity where Metaverse cryptos and other tokens will be widely used as currencies. Additionally, the Bank of America analyst projected that if cryptos become widely used in the Metaverse, traditional payment companies will become much more interested in them. So all of this points to one thing, that the Metaverse cryptos like Sand and Mana are going to boom in the future. And seeing their potential and the growth of the Metaverse environment, I personally believe that these Metaverse cryptos are going to lead the overall crypto market in the future. And I'm saying this because the rise of Metaverse tokens has created a new wave of investment opportunities for everything from digital land to digital designer goods. And as per a recent report by the Business Insider, these tokens are growing because anyone wanting to enter the Metaverse or the virtual world must first own the corresponding digital currency. For example, virtual world sandbox users can use Sand, the platform's utility token, to create, control, and monetize their gaming experiences. The same is true for users of Decentralized or Axie Infinity, who can breed, raise, and train their own digital critters. And both of these platforms are self-contained with their own native currency, like Mana and Axie, respectively. And now, as these Metaverse tokens have been endorsed by Cathie Wood, who is a major industry player, I think that these tokens will gain more traction. But this is not it. I think that all these Metaverse tokens are gaining traction owing to the mainstream adoption of the broader crypto market. For example, it has been revealed that 70% of Forbes magazine's 30 Under 30 list came from the crypto space, and 21 blockchain pioneers and innovators made the cut, nearly double the number from the previous year. Sam Bankman-Fried, founder and CEO of crypto exchange FTX, has amassed a net worth of $26.5 billion, making him the world's wealthiest under 30. Additionally, Vitalik Buterin, the co-creator of Ethereum, is the world's youngest crypto millionaire with a net worth of $1.4 billion. And coming to the next update, a decentralized home-sharing platform Dtravel has recently announced that their customers can now use crypto to book 250,000 homes across the company's global network of 20,000 destinations. So we are now seeing that crypto adoption is rising everywhere. From real estate to e-commerce sites, every industry is now exploring cryptos as payment alternatives. In fact, even politicians are now getting into this emerging sector. And a recent example of this is the U.S. Congressperson, Marie Newman. She has recently disclosed that she purchased up to $50,000 in exposure to crypto through shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And this is not it. According to a report by Bitcoin politicians, 6 other members of Congress currently hold crypto or some exposure to crypto assets, including Senator Cynthia Lummis, Michael McCaul, Pat Toomey, Barry Moore, Jefferson Van Drew, and Michael Waltz. All in all, we are now seeing that even prominent politicians are getting into cryptos. And this is a very bullish indicator for the broader crypto market that will assist in its further growth. And I think one of the best gainers will be the Metaverse tokens, since they have already rallied well in recent times. And in addition to Metaverse tokens, we are now seeing that some altcoins are also gaining massive traction. And seeing the potential of altcoins, Real Vision Chief Executive Raoul has added 9 altcoins to his crypto portfolio. Powell recently revealed that he built a basket of 10 equally weighted altcoins, including Solana, Polkadot, Aave, Chiliz, Ripple, and Rally. And the most exciting thing is that his altcoin list also included some Metaverse tokens like Sand and Mana. Now, if you are wondering which altcoins will surge in the near future, you need to check out this. So Coinbase has recently announced that 5 Ethereum-based tokens and 2 other altcoins will start trading on Coinbase Pro soon. These coins include Koval, IDEX, Polkastarter, Mako2, Superfarm, Spell Token, and Fox. Now it is important to note here that all these altcoins witnessed massive gains throughout this year. So I think that investors will be keeping an eye on them since they are highly likely to perform better in the future as well. And another big altcoin that is expected to gain massive traction is Ripple. And I'm saying this because popular crypto analyst and trader Michael Van de Poppe has a lot of expectations for Ripple. He thinks that Ripple has a lot in store price-wise going into next year, and said that Ripple is currently showing support at crucial levels. And if it manages to hold these levels, it will put Ripple in a position to ignite a strong 140% rally in the coming year. And while everything is looking pretty good for the crypto space, there is some bad news as well. For instance, some UK politicians have recently stated that crypto is not an investment. In addition, they have urged the Financial Conduct Authority in the US to restrict crypto firms' promotional use of the terms invest and investment. And another bad news that could add FUD to the market is that Alex Mashinsky, CEO of lending platform Celsius Network, believes that Bitcoin is not a good form of payment. He argued that while the dollar is a horrible store of value when compared to Bitcoin, it is a far superior form of payment. While this may be bad news for crypto enthusiasts, the silver lining is that Alex Mashinsky still believes in Bitcoin's potential as an asset class. And talking about Bitcoin, it has recently fallen to 48K after showing some support around the 50K mark. Bitcoin was actually trying to break through the crucial resistance level at 52K, but it has failed to do so, and this is why it has witnessed a slight dip. But the good thing is that the S2F model is still pretty much intact. While I am aware that this floor model failed in November, I remain optimistic due to the fact that it has been correct multiple times in recent months. So even if Bitcoin fails to go for a major rally, I believe it is well within reach of 60K, which will be a significant price increase. And since Bitcoin is the leading crypto, it has a significant influence on other coins. So I think that a significant price increase for Bitcoin will assist other cryptos, especially the Metaverse cryptos, to rally high. In addition, I would like to talk about Ethereum as well since it is the leading altcoin and has a big impact on altcoins such as the Metaverse tokens. So Ethereum is currently trading between the $4,100 to $4,300 range. While it is currently trading sideways, the good thing is that ETH has managed the overall market pressure pretty well compared to other cryptos. And this is why I'm quite bullish on Ethereum, and I think that it is highly likely that ETH will surge in the coming trading sessions. And as I said, ETH has a major influence on other cryptos. I think that there is no doubt that if Ethereum rallies up from here, Metaverse tokens will also rally up. And talking about Metaverse tokens, ELF, a new Metaverse token, has recently witnessed massive gains. It shot from 35 to 65 cents in the span of about 40 minutes in a recent trading session. And with this massive price increase of 85%, ELF has emerged as one of the most successful Metaverse tokens. And it is believed that this sudden price jump was followed by the ELF platform's recent partnerships in Metaverse gaming projects. For example, the team at ELF is planning to launch a Metaverse-themed hackathon designed to encourage the development of gaming projects on the network. And it appears that investors are having a lot of expectations from this project, which led to a massive increase in ELF value. All in all, it is highly likely that Metaverse tokens are going to gain more traction in the coming years. And despite some coins currently trading sideways, we know that coins like Mana and Sand had grown massively throughout this year. And with big names like Cathie Wood endorsing the Metaverse projects, the future appears to be bright for these Metaverse tokens.